once I got here to the Sheraton at Universal City, I parked here in the parking garage, and then there is a walkway to the lobby, so I gotta go over this way to get out of the parking garage. It is self-park for $32 a night. They do have valet parking available as well. I did not check on the pricing for that. I just figured I'd do self-park, no problem. You grab a ticket as if you're just any old guest, and then you use your hotel room key to come in and out without having to pay, whenever you leave and that sort of thing. And then the $32 is automatically applied to your hotel reservation. So yeah, there's that. And here we are, Sheraton Universal. Gonna head on inside. They have a concierge desk right over here off to the left. Check-in is in this room over here, off to the right. Already checked in. They do have a bar that's available here and some elevators, so this is where we're gonna go. Well, I'm on the 18th floor. Now we're gonna go into the room. Here we go. Our first look at my room. It's a king-size bed. We've got a little workspace here, and it looks like a little couch area as well. Let's walk over here, check out the view. Looks like we've got a pretty great view of the new Mario world that they're putting in over there and the construction that's going on. We can see a minion sticking out over the rooftop over there. And I also see a Jurassic World building right there in the dead center of your screen. Coming back over this direction, let's see what we can find here. Looks like we've got a small closet space with a personal safe and an ironing board, hangers. Got a coffee pot. Ooh, complimentary waters, 2 complimentary waters. I'll definitely take that. Got a refrigerator here, some shelving, but otherwise I don't see a microwave or anything like that. So even though you have a refrigerator, there's no microwave. And here we have the bathroom. Pretty small, but very modern looking, very nice. Nice shower, no bathtub if you're coming with kids. Well, this is a king bed, so probably wouldn't expect kids to be in here anyway, but very nice, modern looking shower. And that's it. That's my little room here. While I'm waiting for the elevator, I can see the pool down there. I'm guessing that's the pool for this hotel, but it looks like there's also a couple of levels down there too. There are 21 floors in this hotel, and I'm on the 18th one. Well, I just took this shuttle from the Sheraton, and it brought me straight here to the CityWalk. So now I'm gonna walk around in here. Quick word about the shuttle service. It is not a Sheraton-specific shuttle. It's a Universal shuttle, so it stops also at the Hilton as well. It comes every 15 to 20 minutes, and it took me about 30 minutes to get up here. I probably would have been faster walking, personally, just thinking out loud here. Also, if you're not there waiting when it arrives, it just leaves. The guy drove up. There were 2 people waiting at the Hilton. They both got on, and the second they got on, he closed the door and left. He didn't wait for anyone else to show up. So you want to consider that as well. I have never been here before, so this is very, very neat looking. I'm just, getting my bearings a minute here. It says theme park this way, and so we're gonna go in and get something to eat for lunch. As I approach the spinning globe, you can see the Hilton in the background there. My hotel's somewhere over that way too, possibly on the direct other side of the Hilton. And there's the entrance to the park. Oh, I can see the Sheraton S right through there. That's a lot shorter than the Hilton. Well, I just left Universal here, and now I'm gonna be walking down this pathway, and I'm gonna walk to my hotel and see how long it takes. Here we go. It's only been 5 minutes, and already I'm walking up the Sheraton Drive to head towards my hotel. So That's not bad. 5-minute walk. I think I waited 20 minutes earlier for the tram. 20 minutes. And the hotel is 5 plus maybe another 3-minute walk. 8 minutes. I can handle that. Well, I wanted to briefly talk about my stay here at the Sheraton. You already got the room tour. We talked about walking to Universal Studios from the hotel. Totally possible. I didn't mention that it was worse walking up there because it's all uphill. So it was quite extenuous, but coming back down is totally easy. No problem there. The shower was amazing. Like, I can't explain to you the pressure in there. And I think it was like a rain type shower. It was great. It was fantastic. I didn't want to leave the shower. Sleeping, the bed was fine. The bed was comfortable. The pillows were great. The only comment that I had is that whatever floor I'm on, or maybe it's the room that I'm in or something, but I literally can feel like the floor and the bed just on a constant like shake, like vibrate. It's kind of subtle. It's not like super duper obvious, but it's still noticeable to me. It didn't affect me falling asleep at all. I thought it might, but it is kind of weird. I'm on the 18th floor, so that might have something to do with it, but there's just this slight little like shake, like maybe there's like some sort of engine room or something beneath me. I mean, not an engine room, but you know, some sort of facility, like maintenance facility. I have no idea. That's just what it feels like. That's all I'm saying. Otherwise, everything, check-in and everything went really great. This is another hotel with no free breakfast, so I can't go down and get some food. I could if I wanted to pay for it at like their restaurant or bar or something, but we're not going to bother. I had a good stay here at the Sheraton. If I were to pick a different hotel, I'd probably go with the Hilton because it was about the same price right next door, but it's that much closer because we're down on like the bottom of a hill here at the Sheraton, or halfway up the hill. And the Hilton puts you just that much closer so that walking isn't as big of a deal going uphill and that sort of thing. That's just what I'm thinking through my head, that the Hilton would be slightly better. I mean, it's a 7-minute walk from the Sheraton, so you can't complain about that either. But yeah, that's it. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button. We do hotel reviews as well as in theme park videos, so I hope you check those out. We'll see you again next time.